Walk to mommy. Come here. Ava, come here.
Come here.
Walk to mommy, honey. Come here. I think you're gonna. Come here.
Mom, you can do it.
Come on. Ava, what you doing? Come over here. Come here. Dada! Can you come here? Well, you're standing an awful long time. Come here. Oh, good job. Come here. Good job standing. Come on. Come on. Let's go. With those little pink shoes. Come on, little girl. Come on. You want to come over here? Come here. Oh, what's up? Oh, good job. Good job. Come here. Your mommy's kind of obnoxious, isn't she?
Now we will take that and hang that up.
Yeah, get you. What's up? Can you come here? Can you come over to mommy?
Yes. Thank you. Come get it.
Come get your jacket. Yeah! Come on. Let's go. Come on. Good job. Yay! Wow, Ava. I'm proud of you. You gonna get your jacket?
Oh!
Paru.